Hi, this is Anne, and I'm here with Mike Hunt to tour Little Uvas, which is a closed property of Santa Clara Valley Open Space Authority. And this is the entrance. And normally there's some horses here, so we'll have to see if they're roaming around somewhere. And what I noticed, even where we're parking, is some morning glories. And what Mike said was that if you touch these on the inside and they feel a little hairy, which these don't, they're hillside morning glories. So these are some other kind, but we like them just the same. This is a fireplace of a house that burned down, and then there's another remnants of another little house over here. You can see that. Wavy leaf soap root. Is that what the Ohlone used to use?
Yes. And you see how the tops have been chewed off?
Yeah.
The tops were all chewed off by the deer. They love those little tops. Succulent little tender shoots, you know. So you can see here where all the tops have been chewed off. This one hasn't gotten to this one. This is almost like asparagus, actually. Like, you know, the taste and stuff.
You've tried it?
I've licked on it.
That's
but
great.
You can see how it feels and looks like asparagus, right?
Yeah. So the interesting thing about this soap plant is that it's pollinated by moths, not butterflies, and so the flowers come out at night and they're white so they can attract the moths.
There's these purple Clarkia. I'm trying to figure out which species they are, and we should stop here on the way back. They'll be open by then. We're just kind of opening up now.
This is one of the how many ponds?
There's 5 here altogether.
5 ponds that are over here, where there's usually frogs. And are there those endangered turtles?
There are some turtles. Yeah, I haven't seen any this morning, but
and then
there should be.
There are probably a lot of birds here too that like the.
Yeah, the upper ponds usually have more ducks and geese and stuff. We'll get there in a minute.
Oh my goodness, it is a pygmy blue. Mike, we are so lucky. It's a pygmy blue. How come it's out here? There's no pickleweed. Oh my goodness. It's a male, right? The males are more colorful. Wow. It's called ribwort.
Mm-hmm.
It's got ribs on the back. Let's see if I can see the ribs or not. Oh yeah, look at that. Interesting. Alright, so we got bullfrog sounds, we got birds, and then coots. So you see.
I don't see the horses around at all this year.
See, that's its bottom. It's what's in the body of a insect called? The abdomen, and then the wings. But we wouldn't make you walk through all this wet, but we've got waterproof boots, so we can walk through.
Well, in a month or so, there won't be any water here at all.
So basically this is connecting. Wow, look at all these butterflies going crazy. And dragonflies. This is connecting the two.
Oh, look at the butterflies.
Or there's one just, there's the other pond. There's another pond right here.
Gotta be here somewhere. Yeah?
Yeah, I see it. Got it on my California sister just landed. It's beautiful. Look at that orange on the tips.
Pretty cool.
Is that a bullfrog?
No. That's a coot.
That's the coot. That's one of the dragonflies that we saw flittering that has, so it has white tips or kind of light tips, and then there are the coots.
And one's a long. This is a long one. So if you look at these, they're all going to be, they're all storkbills.
And they're native to California.
Yeah, there's another one. There's a long one.
So the way you identify them is these things,
mainly
these
that.
storks.
But I mean, before they get a storkbill, you'll have to look at these. Count the petals. There's 5 purple petals, or 4. Let's see, 5. Yeah, 5. That's what I thought. 5 petals and 5 sepals. The green ones here.
The ethereal spear right there. These are the daisy family, but it's called a stinking chamomile. And what Mike says is it smells really badly.
It also has stickiness to it. You can feel it, I think.
The stem's
It's
a
like
little sticky.
not as bad as some of them, but it has some stickiness.
Not as much as a sticky monkey flower. Huh?
No, or tarweed, no, but definitely has a smell.
Hence its name.
I still don't see it.
It's right there. See, its wings are flapping.
Oh, I see it. I see it, yeah. A cicada?
It's a cicada.
That's pretty cool.
There's a coffeeberry and a coffeeberry tree, coffeeberry bush, and the bees love it. This is Mike's favorite pond. And this is the Ruddy Duck. So there's some coots as well. But that right there is the Ruddy Duck. And the coot is beating him in the race. So there's a male red-winged blackbird right there. And there are a few females, or maybe there's only two, we just get confused. There's the female just landed. And this is where they like to live.
Yeah, you see how they hang when they're nesting in the reeds there?
Yeah.
They will hang up a foot from the top. Their nest will be similarly hanging. It obviously can't be in the water. The nest is actually tied to the reeds next to each other.
Oh.
So that it's kind of like hanging in the middle of the reeds. And yeah, it's pretty intricately how they set them up and how they get them to hang in there. They're master construction architects. These are native bunch grasses. And they're ripe now.
Who eats them?
Huh?
Who likes to eat them?
Everybody.
Everybody?
They've gotten too big for most animals. I mean, they like them younger. They'll like the green down below here. You know, but yeah, this is a good food. Good quality. Deer will eat them.
The
Cows
little
and horses. Elk.
The little animals like the green shoots.
Yeah, the green shoots are the most nutritious. Oh, hairy vetch. No, not hairy. What's the other kind?
Purple vetch?
Purple vetch? Yeah, I see some in here. It's usually ripe. I mean, it usually blossoms a month earlier. But yeah, that's not hairy. That's the other kind. But yeah, some vetch. And then there's some little rose clover in here. Right there. There's even a berry here.
This is Hillside Gooseberry. Where's the berry? Oh yeah. Is it edible?
Look at there.
Oh.
It's fuzzy.
Whoa, it almost looks like an insect. Wow. That is cool.
There's gooseberry, other gooseberries without prickles on them.
So these are the Clarkia that before were closed and now they're open because the sun came out and it got a lot hotter. Look carefully, there's a green bug in here. See that? Oh, it's not a green bug, it's a spider. I didn't know spiders pollinated flowers. Clarkia along with California poppies. And a bunch of pollinators, both bees and butterflies.
Sticky little sticktights on it.
Fiddleneck sticky parts.
Yeah, sticktights.